Hola, hola, ¿cómo están? Hi, good afternoon. How are you? My name is Simonette, and I hope that you are well. I am back with another video. This time it is Blooket. If you've never used Blooket before, well, I'm here to show you. If you've used it before, you know how much fun it is. So let's check it out. Now, let me go ahead and I'm going to take myself off the screen. Again, my name is Simonette Hibbert. And I'm excited to share with you ways in which you can have some fun in the classroom. All right, so Blooket, Blooket. So you just type that in Google, blooket.com, and it will come up. You can sign up with your email, or you can just sign up with Google if you don't have any. Now, I stopped on this screen because it's going to ask you, who are you? Are you a teacher or a student? And it will determine what your interface looks like. So I clicked teacher. Now, over this side, you see Blooket, you can create, you can discover, you see my sets, favorites, history, homework, play, and settings. Just open this one for you, and here's my username for this one. So create. If I wanted to create one from scratch, then I could go ahead and do all of this. I could even import a Quizlet and all of that. But I don't want to do that. So let's discover. We can discover one for greetings in Spanish, or los objetos de la clase, lo siento, classroom items or objects. But let's do greetings in Spanish. Click enter. So now you'll see this one has 165 plays. This one have 8,349. So let me choose that one. Now, and you can see the amount of questions. This one has 13 questions. So I can host. Now, I can host it, I can do solo, and I can assign homework. I'm going to show you how each one looks. All right, so hosts. So if I want to host, select game mode, and there's so many. This one has, if you have plus on, I just have the regular account, so I would not use this one. You can do Gold Quest. My students love this one. You have the crypto hack. Some students like it. And you can choose a different modes. You can also assign homework, so they can do it asynchronously. I'm gonna do Gold Quest because I want to show you what it's like. Now, I can set the time also. So you can time it or goals. So if you say you want time, 7 minutes, I can change it 8, 9, 10 minutes, depending on what you want. Or I could switch to goal. So gold. So if the students get 1 million or this amount, or if I want to change it and say they just need to get 2,000, 12,000 or 2,000, whatever it is, I could show. But I prefer time. So let's say we want to do it for 7 minutes. Host now. Now, I take off the sound, but if you want the sound, you can have it. But let me go to Blooket. So I'm the one who is going to join, so you can see what it looks like when students join. So my Blooket, I'd go on my device. If they can use their phones, iPad, Chromebook, computers, whatever it is. But I'm just going to go ahead and just join as play Blooket. So it's going to ask me to put in my game ID. And this one is 722-9895. And then you will see it's going to ask me to put my name. I put my name, Simonette. And it should pop up. So once the student enters their name, as the teacher, I'm seeing this on my screen. Now, I would suggest you let them use their current names. So if let's say I put the wrong name, you could take me out. I'm gone. So now I have to reload it, and let me put something else. If I put another name, you will see it come up. So Ella, that will come up. on the screen. And more students join, then I would start. So if I click start, it says, it gives the instructions. It says to the students, look up at the host's screen, tells them what to do, what you're seeing on the screen right now. And then the game starts. So let's say it says, very well, thank you. Muy bien, gracias. It tells me that the answer is correct, and then I can go next. So you're gonna see my score as I get it. So you see, I got it correct and I got to continue. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. And it's gonna continue. I'm seeing that on my screen, and you're seeing if I'm getting them correct. And of course, when this is done with more students, you'll see who is leading and all of that. So this one, they're getting gold. Sometimes they can take gold from each other. It's exciting. And you'll find that students learn the vocabulary without even realizing the vocabulary, the phrases that they're doing, because they're seeing it over and over, but in a game form. We are dealing with digital natives. So of course, you have to incorporate technology, and games are what they like to play. So why not incorporate it in the classroom? Now you can see the time going down here. So it would have been 7 minutes, or if you wanted 5 minutes, or if you want 9 minutes, whatever the amount. No, let's say for this, just for now, I'm going to end it. So you click right here, end it now. You'll see that it's Ella alone in the game. So you'll see I got 100 gold and I came first. But if we had more people, you'd see how much, view the report. You can see that I got 2 correct, 0 incorrect, but you can also see the ones I got correct. And if I had the Blooket Plus, then you can see like more detailed, like how much I got right, which ones I got correct or incorrect, and all of that. So you can discover set. Just search for the topic that you want, and it will come up here. If I selected some, if I created some sets, I could use it to host, or I can discover some sets. If I had favorites, you can set your favorites here. This shows the history of the ones that I've done with my students. So it's just this one, because as I said, this is a new account I made for this. Homework, if I assign homework, then I would look at it here. And if I want to play, then I could go ahead and even play. The settings, this is my user profile. You see, as I said, I joined today. I'm using the Blooket starter. I could get that. I could get the upgrades and all of that. But I'm telling you, your students will love it, and it depends on which one you do. There's even one that I did recently when we were doing the restaurant, and so the students were able to, like, we're doing in el restaurante, and so while they're learning, they have to serve others, and it gives you time, and you keep the restaurant open. Either you let them keep the restaurant open for 7 days, or you set a goal. But it was so much fun to see them. So you have math, you have everything you want, science, ELA, social studies. So you can choose what it is that you want them to do. But definitely check this out. You will love it. I enjoy using it. My students enjoy using it. And with everything that you're using, you want a variety. So that's why I'm showing you various games that you can use. You don't want to overuse any. You don't want to use Blooket every day so your students know you're using Blooket, or you're going to use Kahoot, or you're going to use quizzes, or you're going to use Pixton. So I'm going to be showing you some throughout, and just continue following the page. Let me know if there's any that you want me to check out, because I'm excited about doing this. I enjoy doing this. So please let me know. But if you found it useful, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share it with somebody who you think can benefit from it, and let me know if you have any questions. But for Blooket, you can use it as a teacher. You can use it if you're just a student or just somebody who want to practice. You can use it. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of Hibbert Nation. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you for your time, and please, If you use it, let me know. Leave your questions below. I will answer it to the best of my ability, or we can go find out together. Remember, learning is a lifelong process. Have yourselves a wonderful day. It was a pleasure making this video for you, and see you next time.